Hey y'all, Tricky Ricky here, out in the sun, out on the roof. Here we go, this is what we got. Let's go up this ladder, show you what today we're doing. Well, we got us a leaky spot all up against this wall right here. We pulled out the plywood, and we're just gonna fix it. Until next time, Tricky Ricky out here in the middle of the country. Yes, we got our tunes. I do a little scan out. We got big Shaune on the set, the super duper. He's sporting that big old dually down there. But yeah, that's what we got right there. Until next time, Tricky Ricky out in the sunshine. Peace, y'all. Hey, Shaune, you think we'll get this shit done? Peace out, y'all.